Hi everyone, I'm Danielle. Thank you for buying all the height charts. I wasn't expecting so many. I've spent all week making them, take about half an hour each, and I think I've had 71 to make, so I hope you all like them. First of all, I posted the parcels yesterday, so they should come soon. So in the parcel you'll get your name and the height chart, so it'll either be in one piece if it's quite short, or it might be in two, but it doesn't matter either way. The two rulings for the height chart, they're both on backing paper, and then you'll also get your icons. I've lost my Animal Kingdom ones, but so you've got Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Universal and Islands of Adventure. So you just need some scissors, a tape measure, a credit card, and a pencil, and masking tape might come in handy, but it's not necessary. So first of all, I'm doing this on a bit of paper because I've already got one up in my daughter's room, and I don't need another one, so that's why I'm doing it on paper, but obviously I'll just do it straight on the wall. You might want to give the wall a little wipe first, just with a dry cloth, make sure there's no dust or anything on it that might stop the vinyl sticking as well. So first of all, measure for the first one, the lower one. So just the bottom marker is 32 inches, so just make a small mark on the wall, 32 inches up. So that's where the first one will go. Here we go, it's higher than I thought. Here we are. And so you take your first piece of vinyl and use your credit card. So place it face down on a hard surface. I've just got a little shelf here that I'm using, but you just use a table or whatever. So if that side goes down, so you're scraping the backing the paper. So just give it a little scrape a couple of times over, and then we're just going to peel the paper off, so it should stick to the masking tape. If any get a bit stuck, you see that mine's got a bit stuck, just fold it back down, give it another little scrape, and it should come off onto the tape, the transfer tape on the back. And so I'm just going to peel that off slowly. Another bit's got stuck, so let's give it a little scrape. Here we go. Just take your time with all of this, because it's when you start rushing, I know that's what I do, and then you start making mistakes, so give yourself a little bit of time to do it. There we go, so I've got my papers peeled off and it's stuck on my tape, so that's the way it's going to go onto the wall. So just line that up with that first marker that you made. Make sure it's straight. Here we go. Just rub that onto the wall. And give it a little scrape with your card. There we go. And then you're just going to peel that transfer tape off. There we are. So we do need to keep this because we need to use it for the icons. So I'll just pop that to one side, and then I'll stick the other one on, so it should technically just line up, but I am just going to make a little marker at 44 inches just to double check it's all right. Here we go. Right, so same thing, I'm just going to scrape the back onto so it sticks to the transfer tape. Here we go. And peel that off. Oh, it's got a bit stuck there at the top. we are. So I'm just going to stick that on again. I'm just going to line it up with the bottom one and with that little marker I just made. Here we go. Rub that on. There we go. So we've got our measures on the wall there now. I'm going to keep this tape again for the icons. So it's up to you how you do this, really. I'm going to start with, I'm going to do Magic Kingdom first, and I'll just show you that one, and then you'll be able to do the rest. But so that you can do it. You can start at the bottom, go up, or you can do all the key for the top. So you need to cut these out before you stick them on. So I'm just going to cut Magic Kingdom up really quick. And I'm just going to cut a piece of my transfer tape from earlier off. So I'm going to start with the MK for the key. So you just stick that onto your transfer tape. I just cut that off, a little piece off. Again, give it a little scrape. Peel that back in off. You will find that the transfer tape, the more you use it, the less sticky it'll get. It still will be absolutely fine to do them all. You might just need to nudge your things onto it, but that's where you can use masking tape for that as well. So if you're struggling because it's not sticking, like I say, it will be fine, but you can use masking tape in space of it. So I'm going to put my MK at the top there. Rub, give it a scrape with your card. And peel it off, and there it is. So I'm going to start with my icons, so same thing. So I've got Test Track here for the bottom, not Test Track, I can't remember what it's called now, but it used to be Autopia. So I'm going to stick it on there, and I'm just give it a little scrape, peel it off onto the tape, and that's a 32 incher, so I'm going to stick that there at the bottom. There we go. So just do the same thing with them all, work your way up. You can do them whatever order you like, and then carry on with the rest of the icons. Some of these do peel off like stickers, and you can just peel them off like that and stick them on, but so there's Space Mountain, but sometimes I struggle with getting them lined up straight on the wall. I find it easier to do it with the tape. Then when it comes to your name, it's the same. I've not left enough space to do mine at the top, but I'll do it here at the bottom just to show you. It's the same thing anyway. It's already on the tape, so just give it a little scrape. Peel that back in off and stick it on. Oops, it's already coming off. There you go. So that's it really. Any problems, let me know. I'll try and help you out. And yeah, thank you.